76% of women are aroused by good dirty talk with their partner. 76%. And with numbers like that, you can't afford to not know how to dirty talk. Hi, I'm Elle Eros, your friendly Sexplorer, dirty talk professional, and soon to be certified sex educator. Today, I'm going to teach you the art of teasing the space between her ears using dirty talk. We're going to cover tips and tricks on how to feel more comfortable and confident with dirty talk, where to get inspo, and I'll show you how to ease into dirty talk. And at the end, I'm even going to give you 20 phrases to really amp up your dirty talk game, because I love you, and sometimes you just need a little bit of help to get your motor started. Why is dirty talk so important? Well, let's start with the physiological. It has to do with a few erogenous zones in our brain. Sex drive and testosterone production originate in two parts of the hypothalamus, the preoptic area and the suprachiasmatic nucleus. Dirty talk stimulates both of these areas. Now, the emotional. It's a great way to build intimacy. It creates a deeper connection. It adds excitement to your sex life. And it's not just about the dirty words. It's about being confident, vulnerable, and present in the moment with her. And trust me, women love it when you can talk the talk. Now, I know you might be thinking, but Elle, I'm shy and I don't know where to start. Don't worry, sweetie. I got you. Here are some tips on how to feel more comfortable with dirty talk. Start with sexting. Sexting is a great way to get comfortable with dirty talk, and it's a lot less intimidating than doing dirty talk in person because you have a screen between you, and it will inadvertently make you feel more confident. I have a whole video on Sexting 101 that you can check out right over here. And if you're at such a complete loss that you don't know how to even break the ice over text, read some erotica written by women for women to give you some ideas. You can also listen to audio porn, which is a great place to get inspiration. I would suggest Quinn. Talk to your partner about it. Ask her what she's into. She'll love having that conversation. So now, how do you ease into dirty talk when you're having a moment with that special somebody? You can start with a gentle, playful compliment. You can say something like, "You look so beautiful right now," or "I love the way your eyes light up when you smile." And as your playtime increases with intensity, so can your dirty talk. When in doubt, describe how she's making you feel or what you want to do to her next. For example, "You're making me so hard right now." Or, "I want to lie you on your back and fuck you slowly." You can also rely on your senses to inform your dirty talk. "You look so sexy right now. I want to hear you moan as I whisper dirty things into your ear. I can smell your wetness and it's intoxicating. You taste so sweet. I want to drink up every drop of your juices. I want to feel your skin on mine, to touch every single inch of your body." Is it getting hot in here, or is it just me? Right, you can also, sorry, I was getting a little distracted. You can also ask questions as a great way to amp up your dirty talk and to get her involved. Something as simple as, "Do you like that?" is perfect. Or, "Does it feel good when I bite insert body part?" Or, "How badly do you want my cock inside of you right now?" Remember, dirty talk, it's not just about the words you say. It's about confidence, being vulnerable with your partner, and being present with her in the moment. Don't be afraid to try new things. And most importantly, communicate. After your playtime, Ask them what they liked and what they didn't like, and don't get offended if they say they didn't like something. If you want more Dirty Talk inspo, you can use the link in the video description to download my doc with 20 Dirty Talk phrases. And if you want to practice your Dirty Talk with me, you can check out my website, elleeros.com. All right, I hope you learned something new. Happy Sexploring, and I will see you next Tuesday.